What if extinct giant animals still existed in the modern world? Picture a bustling city where colossal mammoths roam the streets, towering over skyscrapers. Envision the awe and fear as a megalodon prowls the oceans, making today's great white sharks look like minnows. In this series, we dive deep into a world where these prehistoric giants never went extinct. How would our lives change? How would ecosystems adapt? Join us as we explore the thrilling and dramatic scenarios of a world where ancient titans walk among us once more. Welcome to a journey through time and imagination. Welcome to What If Extinct Giants Still Roam the Earth? Hello, and welcome to another episode of AstroScience channel, the channel where we explore the fascinating, the bizarre, and the mind-boggling possibilities of our world. Today, we're diving into an incredible scenario. What if extinct giant animals still existed in the modern world? Throughout history, our planet has been home to some truly colossal creatures. From the towering woolly mammoth to the massive megalodon, these giants roamed the Earth millions of years ago. But what if they never went extinct? First, let's consider where these giant animals would live. Modern environments have changed drastically since these giants roamed the Earth. How would they adapt to today's world? Many of these giant animals lived in environments that were quite different from what we have today. For instance, the woolly mammoth thrived in the cold tundra. If they still existed, they might be confined to regions like Siberia or northern Canada. Similarly, the megalodon would need vast, deep oceans, which could make them a rare sight. The presence of these giants would undoubtedly have a massive impact on modern ecosystem. How would they interact with today's flora and fauna? Giant predators like the megalodon could disrupt marine food chains, possibly driving some species to extinction. On land, herbivores like the woolly mammoth could help maintain grasslands, but their sheer size and appetite could also lead to overgrazing and habitat destruction. One of the most intriguing aspects is how humans would interact with these massive creatures. Would they be seen as threats, or would we find ways to coexist? Historically, humans have both feared and revered large animals. In a modern context, these giants could be seen as both a danger and a marvel. Safety measures would need to be implemented in areas where these animals roam. At the same time, they could become major attractions, sparking new forms of tourism and conservation efforts. The existence of these giants would also push the boundaries of science and technology. How might we study and protect these creatures? We'd likely see significant advancements in tracking and monitoring technologies, as well as in veterinary science. Understanding the biology and behavior of these giants could offer new insights into genetics, adaptation, and evolution. For instance, developing more sophisticated tracking systems would be essential for studying their movements and interactions within their environments. Advances in veterinary science would be crucial to address any health issues these enormous creatures might face, potentially leading to breakthroughs in medical technology that could benefit other animals and even humans. From a cultural perspective, giant animals have always captured our imagination. How would their presence influence art, media, and our daily lives? The existence of these giants would likely inspire a new wave of movies, books, and art. Filmmakers and writers would be eager to explore the dramatic possibilities of giant animals coexisting with humanity. Social media would be flooded with sightings, personal anecdotes, and speculative theories, creating a sense of wonder and excitement that could dominate online discourse. Additionally, their presence might spark renewed discussions about humanity's role in nature, the ethics of wildlife management, and our environmental responsibility. These giants could also become symbols in popular culture, representing themes of awe, fear, and the sublime. But with all these possibilities come ethical consideration. How would we balance human interests with the rights of these creatures? We'd face complex questions about conservation, land use, and animal rights. Balancing the needs of humans and these giant animals would require thoughtful policies and a commitment to coexistence. For example, we would need to address issues such as habitat preservation to ensure these animals have the space they need, while minimizing conflicts with human activities. For example, we would need to address issues such as habitat preservation to ensure these animals have the space they need while minimizing conflicts with human activities. Policies would have to be crafted to address the potential risks posed by such large creatures, such as safety measures for communities living near. We would also need to consider the broader ethical implications of our interactions with these animals, ensuring that their welfare and rights are respected while fostering a harmonious relationship between species. Their presence would challenge us to rethink our approaches to conservation, ethics, and cultural expression, ultimately reshaping how we perceive and interact with the natural world. As we conclude our journey into this alternate reality, it's clear that the return of these extinct giants would reshape our world in unimaginable ways. The colossal presence of mammoths in our cities and megalodons in our oceans would challenge our current understanding of nature and humanity's role within it. We'd witness dramatic shifts in ecosystems, new scientific frontiers, and cultural phenomena that would captivate our imaginations. The sight of a mammoth walking through a snowy urban landscape, or a megalodon fin slicing through the water, would be both awe-inspiring and humbling. But with these wonders come responsibilities. How would we balance our technological advancements with the ancient needs of these creatures? How would we protect both human interests and the rights of these colossal beings? These are questions that would demand our greatest wisdom and empathy. In exploring this hypothetical world, we've glimpsed a reality where the past and present collide in spectacular ways. While it may be a flight of fancy, it also reminds us of the fragility of our planet's history and the enduring impact of the creatures that once roamed it. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling adventure through time and imagination. Don't forget to subscribe to the AstroScience channel for more explorations of the fascinating, the bizarre, and the mind-boggling possibilities of our world. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and keep imagining the incredible what-ifs that shape our understanding of the universe.